today we are learning how to create new layers, layer combination, fields, and services. So to start with, we will learn how to create new layers. Layers are located at the document at the top, role, document, layers, layer combination. Or if you prefer using shortcut, you can use Ctrl L so that move you can locate the layers. Once you have opened the layer option, you'll find two columns, one for the layer combination and the other one for layers. For the layer combination, it is a combination of different layers which have similar principles. E.g., if you are doing a working drawing, different papers, working drawing, scheme drawing, you can combine all the layers that will be used on the scheme but are not used at the working drawing paper. So let us first learn how to create a layer. If the layer you want is related to architectural, MPE or structural, you open the file that it fits. For instance, let us create a layer that is architectural related. You open the architectural layer, create new. Let us name it MAS. Cars. Let us name it car or colored car. And then click OK. So name it MS. For the extension, this make your work easy to locate different layers with the same compound. For example, we can for the layer of AMS colored car, we can say it is a scheme layer. So we can name it scheme 01. So like that. If we create another layer, MAS, and the extension we write it scheme 02. So we can easily locate the layers that will be used at the scheme level or the colored or any you require. That's how we create. So for the layer combination, how do we create them? Come to the layer combination, you create a new layer combination. So we will write number 11, write scheme drawing. Then OK. Then you come and select the layers that you want to be at the scheme drawing layer combination. You close and open, then update. So this will be, it will be controlling. For example, if you close the scheme drawing, it will automatic close the layer, all the layers that are in that layer combination. And that is how we create layers and layer combination. And for how do you create new file? For example, we shall create with you a masonry wall field. We will be using the MAS pencil that we created previously on the previous video. So we will create a square with 200 millimeter by 200 millimeter dimension. Very tiny. We will make sure that the spacing between our lines are grouped. To ungroup the lines, you you press Ctrl Shift G, or you come to View, Grouping, then Ungroup, so that when you select a line, you only select one line, not the other way that you select all the other lines. So we create a spacing for about 20 to 20 millimeters. So for us to drag multiple copies, we right left click, go to move, multiply, space, then you insert 200 millimeter. Okay, point the starting point. Oh, sorry, we have put 200 instead of 20. We want to have a spacing of 20 millimeters, not 200, like that. We remove the horizontal line, so that we are left with the vertical lines only. After that, we highlight the lines and copy. We go to option, element attribute, face, right, create a new field. The field that we are creating is a symbolic field representing masonry wall. So we are creating a masonry wall. We name it MAS. Word. Okay. Then we paste. Because to create the representation or the symbolic symbol for a masonry wall is diagonized vertical diagonized lines, we are going to rotate our lines at an angle of 45. So here you can adjust the size of the pattern. Ours was 200. This is to adjust the scale, rotation. For this, you are it is more advisable to use the model size, the scale with plan model size, since when you use the scale dependent paper size, you will be required to do more calculations so that the representation of the symbolic representation of the field can adjust to the paper you are using. So it is recommended that you use the scale with the plan, the model size, then you click OK. To use it, you go to fields, go to fields, come to draft, then you locate it. MAS masonry walls over there. You can change the color of the threads. Then you can make more glare, make it like there. So have a box, you take a box, just take a square box, square field, make it more easier. Just make actual dimension 1000, length by 200. So that is the representation of a wall. So if you want a clear background, you come here and change to color white to adjust. If you want the boundaries of the corners of the wall to be thick according to the architectural representation of a wall, you can use a 0.8 or 0.5. That's 0.6 pen weight. That's represent it. Isn't true. When we let us use 0.5. You can see even our pen set differs. This is 0.05 for the hatching and 0.5 for the wall. And that is how symbolic fields are made. We can do a image field. How image fields are done. So for image field, you require an image. An image. So let us do. You can download one from the website. I will be using Chrome.